This video guide will help you to remove malicious pop-up windows, scary pop-up alerts related to the website Onlineshield.info. Onlineshield.info is a dangerous website. It keeps attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website displays misleading, scary and fake alerts that try to make people think that their computers are horribly infected. The pop-up on Onlineshield.info says that your PC is infected with 5 viruses and that the immediate action is required. It says that you need to click on the proceed button, but clicking on this button is extremely dangerous. You may be forwarded to some other shady resources, and also you may be forced to download and install some potentially unwanted software. Also, these pop-ups by Onlineshield.info try to make you click on the allow button to start showing the great number of ads in the form of push notifications. So if you have clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser immediately. Go to the menu, settings, choose security and privacy, site settings, go to permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and when you find this site, Onlineshield.info, remove it from the list and remove other junk sites from this list. To make sure that the computer is free of other hidden threats, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program and then begin researching your system in order to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.